Good evening, local business owners. Have you ever noticed how much we are dependent on paper? Have you also noticed that having papers scattered all around can lead to problems if they aren't completely organized? Well, I think I may have the solution for you. By finding ways to be less dependent on paper and work electronically, we can cut costs and also improve operating efficiency. As I'm sure you already know, going paperless has become popular lately due to newer technology and because businesses want to be more efficient and conscious of the environment. I'm Andrea, and tonight I'm going to tell you more about how going paperless can reduce costs and improve productivity. In the current state of the economy, companies are looking for any way to save money. Going paperless or limiting the use of paper allows a company to save money without having to cut jobs or reduce the level of quality. In her article in the Journal of Accountancy, Sarah Phelan describes how a CPA firm was able to help an IT firm organize their accounting system and virtually eliminate all of their office papers. This firm was spending $40,000 a year on off-site file storage, and file cabinets were taking up 18% of their office floor space. Going paperless allowed the firm to free up the office space that was being used to store papers, and it also allowed them to save money on storage costs. There are other ways that going paperless can save money as well. In their article, Is Your Company Ready?, Peppers, Rogers, and Dorff stated that cost efficiency can be achieved by making customer interactions more automated and therefore less costly. For example, when an organization uses computer software for inventory management or customer interaction, it improves productivity and allows them to use fewer employees for certain tasks. If the organization is audited, then they will save even more money by going paperless because the accounting fees will be dramatically reduced. When a company hires a CPA firm to audit their financial records, they pay them by the hour, and auditors charge the client billable hours for the number of hours it took them to prepare the audit report. If the client's documentation is easily accessible and organized, then the number of billable hours to the client is reduced. The auditors will spend less time searching source documents and cross-checking figures. So as you see, going paperless will save you money by reducing overhead costs as well as accounting fees. Aside from saving money, going paperless can also make a business run more efficiently. Donna Matherly wrote in the journal Business Horizons an article titled The Paperless Chase, Gaining Support for Office Automation, where she discussed how to help employees adjust to the new procedures and methods that utilize more technology. She begins her article by saying that new technology has been introduced and that it should be utilized because of how it could improve the efficiency of office operations. For example, the latest trend in businesses going paperless is that many doctors are using electronic medical records, EMRs. If you've been to the doctor lately, you might have seen a computer in the exam room, or the doctor may have had a laptop to take notes with and write prescriptions. Medical records are much easier to read and transfer to other hospitals if they are in electronic form. In his article about how he implemented the EMR in his clinic, Dr. Paul Smith explained that the benefits of the EMR system include more accurate medication lists, legible notes and prescriptions, immediately available charts, decreased chart pulls, and lower transcription costs. In addition to making business processes run smoother, paperless processes also prevent doctors from making life-threatening mistakes. For example, using an EMR system can prevent a doctor from prescribing medicine that interacts with other medications that you might be taking. It can also allow doctors to better organize their notes and keep better track of their patients over longer periods of time. All of the benefits of the EMR system result in more efficient healthcare operations. There are many other benefits from going paperless, but this should make it easier to see why going paperless could be valuable for your company. Tonight I told you about how it can help your business reduce costs and also improve operating efficiency. Consider these benefits during your next meeting when you discuss your company's potential upgrades in technology. If your company wants to cut costs and improve operating efficiency, putting data into electronic form and going paperless is a great option.